Leaders from across the digital world gathered in June at UConn Stamford for the Connecticut Digital Forum's inaugural Digital FutureFest. It was a chance to dive deep into the technologies shaping the world's future: AI, blockchain, Web3, quantum computing, and more.
Published guidance at 2013 on a blockchain. So there's nothing.
With over 40 speakers and more than 300 attendees, the day brought together leading institutions, investors, entrepreneurs, academics, and policymakers from across the country. The setting was designed for senior-level discussions and networking. These talks didn't skim the surface. They were honest, thoughtful, sometimes urgent discussions about the future of money, markets, work, and culture.
And then blockchain found its way to me like maybe a year and a half ago.
Just talk through those non-founding models. How the current graphic across.
Whether at panels, workshops, networking tables, meals, or drinks, people connected in meaningful ways, sharing insights, building relationships, and sparking new ideas. The 2025 annual Digital FutureFest was organized by the Connecticut Digital Forum and podcasted globally. Monthly events take place throughout the year.
2013
Join us for our new season beginning this September, right here in Stamford.